I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Daddy Monique, and what's up to all of my dozens of roses? You guys, how is... So yeah, I skipped a couple of days. It's okay. But today is day... I think I missed probably like 3 days, so that don't even count. We won't even... yeah. But your girl is back, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys all of the I bought. Well, my boyfriend helped. You guys, Marc is in Zabri. Asaya is with his daddy, so his shoes is with him. So I'm just going to show you guys pictures of his shoes that I bought. But yeah. If you're still here, please do not leave without liking my ish and subscribing. Okay, and let's get started with this video. Okay, I'm gonna start with these. Here are some Pumas. She had some, bought her. She weighed a size 4.5. She actually wore these shoes one time, but she hasn't put them back on. See, let me tell y'all, Zabria thinks her mom is rich, and I have not received a YouTube check quite yet, but she just want to put J's on her feet and Air Forces. I'm like, who do you think you are? She did wear these once out to a little outing, so, but they are pink. I know something, if she don't wear them, I'm going to be wearing them because they're pink, my favorite color. And can we get that? There we go. They're pink, my favorite color. I know probably little, marks on them because, like I said, she wore them one time and she's so hard on shoes that I was like how she is. It's like, girl, pay attention to what you're doing. Like, they don't care because they don't have to buy them. But yep, this is one of the shoes. I love the quilted look here that we have. Like, these are some good running type of shoes to me, like, I can wear these to work if she chooses not to, and she always stick the tissue back in, so it won't crease. She learned that, so she does that. But these are the first pair, and I really like them. Like, if she don't start wearing these shoes, I'm gonna wear them, cause yes, we wear the same size shoes, so I already know her foot must be gonna be bigger than mine, because like it's crazy. Like, she's only 9 years old and her foot is the same size as mine. It's like, how crazy. Like, but these are Bria's first pair of shoes, her Pumas that she wore one time and one time only, and if she don't wear them, your girl is gonna be wearing them. Next, we have these Adidas that she never wore because she thinks she's supposed to only wear J's. But I think these are so freaking cute. Like, I'm telling y'all, if this girl don't wear these shoes, I'm wearing them. Like, I see myself with some blue, because y'all see the blue. This is blue, not black, if y'all guys can see. This blue here and this pink. Like, I can find me a little outfit with those colors in it. And this is more of a spring shoe, so I'll probably just hold on to it. Which, anyway, like I said, she's hard on shoes, so she probably don't even need this white pair of shoe. But it is so cute. The colors, like, look at this green here. It's so beautiful, and the pink. But yeah, if this girl don't start wearing these shoes, I swear, I'ma put them on. I swear, I'ma put them on. They so comfortable and cute. Yeah. But this is for a second pair of shoes that she has not worn. Those just come out like a month ago. She's only wearing those in her Air Forces. Like, girl. Alright, so here's he has a pair of Pumas This style of Puma is so freaking cute to me. Asaya actually has the same different color, and what was crazy because I bought, okay, my boyfriend bought her these pink shoes and these blue shoes, and these shoes, and he bought Marcus shoes, all the Marcus shoes, and I bought size shoes. So it was crazy. I had already picked out size shoe. His shoe was already here, and then he went and got MJ shoes, and we picked up the same type of shoe. I was like, that's crazy. Like, I wish we would have got the same exact shoe, and then they would have had matching shoes. But look at this shoe. Like, he has not worn this shoe yet. It is so freaking cute. I love the colors. Like, look at this. I love the colors. Look how the colors are matching together, together. Like, this is so cute, and it has the bubble on the. What was it? A bubble? No, that's not a bubble. It looked like a bubble for a second. And these are Pumas. Like, these are so cute to me. Like, we gotta get him some more outfits to go with this. That's why he hasn't worn them. He could wear them to school, but I just haven't chosen to let him wear them to school because he has like 2 good pair that he wears to school. And you know, they go outside and mess them up. So I haven't let him wear these yet. But I just love this shoe. Like, the color of it, everything. Like, it's too big for my foot. Because if it wasn't, what size Marc wear? Marcus wear. This is a size 7, but Marcus wears like a 5.5. But it's a good thing that he bought these a little big because of the screen. Because size shoe like this, I'm gonna cut these out and put regular shoe screens because it's very hard to put on the shoe. You know, when he went to his daddy's house, I try to put those shoes on him, and I struggle. But I got them on. He fits them very well. It's just this part, and if you have shoes like this and you're struggling, cut them bad boys out and put regular shoe screens because that is so sickening. But this is one of Marcus' shoes. You always gotta get them boys up. I just got both of my boys a new black pair of shoes. It says move to zero is Nike journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sports. Okay, so these are Nikes. I didn't know what they were, truthfully. Air Max Gourmet. Okay, I never heard these shoes. I've never even seen anybody wear them, but they're Nikes. So this one has the bubble on it. Yes, I love this. I love it. Love it. Nice. I mean, what could you say? It's a pair of Nikes with a Nike check, and it's a black pair of shoes because everyone need a black pair of shoes. Like, cause we ain't going white, not yet at least. Not yet at least. And yep, it has the Air Max on the bottom there. I mean, can't go wrong. And these are cute. These are very, very cute. Yeah. So these are Marcus shoes. Now, I'm going to put up pictures of size shoes here that he has. I'm looking at them on my phone because of course I'm going to prop them in. Which they should already be propped in somewhere. They look cute, y'all. Like I said, these Pumas are the same exact, just like Marcus, on just different colors. As you guys can see, the colors are different. You know, like if I was in school, like these would be the perfect school shoes for him. But I just really, really dig the style, and I think that for me, you know, of course, I think with everybody, the smaller shoe looks the best. The smaller shoe looks the best versus the bigger shoe, because then it starts looking like a boat to you, you know. But like, these are some cute behind shoes my boy got. Like, I picked them things out, and like I told y'all, that you cannot go wrong with a black pair of shoes. So I just got him another pair of black Nikes because, you know, why the hell not? you know. Why the hell not? And these are cute, and he already wore them before. They're easy to put on, no problems. Just slide them on and have your socks on, your cute little outfit, and you know, black pair of shoes kind of go with anything. So if you made it this far, please do not forget to like my ish and subscribe, and your girl gonna see y'all in tomorrow, October day 15. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next one.